Hello guys, welcome back to another mind-blowing video. It's your girl Collective Sparkle. I'm here to do what Sparkle the world. So in this video, I'll be unboxing amazing stuff that I got from AliExpress. I know you guys have got lots of unboxing videos, you know, right? So let's get started. So here I have this package. This is high-speed cooling fan. Let me start unboxing. Let me try to open this. How I open this? It's like it's so thick to open. Like the really package is very. Let me get the scissors. My scissors. So to the first cooling fan. It looks so interesting. Well, this one you can hang it on your neck, I say, to fan your face without you holding it. This is the cord Type-C charger. Let's see how it works. Came with the manual. Okay. Wow, it's white. Look portable. Wow. Speed it up 100. Oh, that's so cool. So nice. Maybe when you take the light and I want something to just blend on my face, I'll just use this. Wow, nice. Then let's check. Okay, then I have another nightgown, red, blue, and pink, right? And that's all for the unboxing video today. Yep. Can't wait to try them on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.